Good evening, tutor and colleagues. My name is Enelia Ponton Yandi Mike, the president of my work. Objectives: investigating the importance of how technology and identify how technology has changed human life with positive and negative aspects found on how it has affected some cultures. 1. How has technology changed human life in your community? Technology has changed family apps a lot with the family in indigenous communities before the use and customs and the mother tongue were well practiced, but now is not the same due to regrettable change in our society. Difference for elements are evident both in education and the society. Different shortcomings will be identified. Likewise, fashions to some students and work children being good though their cell phones, laptops, and video games all things they don't like though their parents. They live very sad life from the point of women of the parents because they get up early, some they sleep, they host because they aren't focused on those devices. They are no longer interested in what is happening around them. But when technology did not exist, there was a lot of communication with the family because it has more unity. They developed their agriculture and activities towards and the hopes that more and they have got production of their corps in the educational field. The teachers were based more on the theories that they had with their research. They carried billboards and different support materials manually made, but today the teacher is not based of theories, is long based on what say on the internet and no longer carries the support materials. Online carries is cell phone, and what you need, you get it with the information proving by the boards. It is a reality of our society and spelling of our cultures. Living it works. How technology exists and though technological advance human beings allows have to live uphold. 2. What positive and negative aspects do you think your community has had? It the use technology today. Positive aspects: people how develop company hubs or students have give access to information considering what one thing the words it they browse. The information appears in less a second. Facilitates the learning of students and workers because these characters have an obligation to learn. Creates new jobs such as the selling of digital merchandise, being the products requested by customers. It explains the thanks of companies since the worker has even it is arms and what needs the logs of for and fits in less that second. increasing productivity and efficiency of companies when technology is available. Less often is reigned with a company and sales are reality carrying out digitally and economic income is more favorable. The aspects negative. The house of technology with families bring autonomy and communication when parents and children. Excessive use of no-education pages. The house of technologies generating problems of children, depression and anxiety infants because when they do not have their cell phone, their heads stay thrown until they are had the cell phone. Boys and girls not the able to enjoy their childhood, learning problems and poor peer interaction. Thank you very much for your attention. I am attention to any suggestion.